Hey guys, what's up everyone? So if you're here from my previous vlog, then I'm sure you know it. Today I'm going to take you to the studio tour. So ये वो entire set है जो real लगता है, like literally real buildings and streets, but नहीं, this is all a set जो generally हमें movies और Hollywood series में देखने मिलता है.
Harvey, one of those tents that's where all the contestants wait before they go on in.
So you're going to have your glass.
Please remain seated while we are on the island. Airplane as if it had crashed on this set. Real airplane Hollywood crash. But now, let's take you to an island. To the old
If you have ever come across the movie Jaw, then let me tell you guys, it had a scene where an entire sea was shown which had sharks, but no, it was not a sea, it was this little pond which had green screens behind to just give it an entire look of a sea.
better known as Wisteria Lane, home to all the desperate housewives. Moved out of this neighborhood, we've done lots of filming here. On the right was Gabrielle's house on Desperate Housewives. It was gold when Gabrielle lived in it, but that very same beige house once belonged to James Stewart in the 1950 film Harvey. He lived there with a 6'3" invisible rabbit. The new animated version of How the Grinch Stole Christmas, coming out later this year, starring the voice of Benedict Cumberbatch. He's looking for somebody who's armed.
Back up a little bit. I got slightly. First of all, I don't work for you. Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Escort this novice out. Let's go, Cookie Puss. That ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there.
Driver, move that vehicle. It's about to get real interesting.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn. Okay, guys, it's showtime.
Don't think you're getting away! Follow the
of our journey. Once again, my name is Ingrid on behalf of myself, our driver Adele.
I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, then do not forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel, because I'll be coming up with more videos from San Francisco and Dubai. So stay tuned.